Okay, here's the answer video for number 7. It says, Paz, whatever that name is, has $18 in her wallet. This is 3 times the money in her pocket. Write and solve an equation to find how much money Paz has in her pocket. So I'm going to use P for pocket. Now let me start my bar diagram. So I have Paz has P dollars in her pocket. Now I know in her wallet she has 18, which is 3 times the money in her pocket. So I'm going to take the money in her pocket and do it 3 times. And 3 times the money in her pocket would be $18. So that gives me my equation. I have 3 times P equals 18. And then to solve it, I'm going to divide each side by 3, cancel, and I get P equals $6 in her pocket. All right, that's it for number 7. Thanks.